Okay, this is interesting. Apollo is afraid of noises and things that look different. See, look at him. Like that noise, ay, he can't handle it. And I decided that I would put them in their crates that they'll do when we start our words. And since today it's 60 degrees, I thought we can do lunch in our crates. Of course, nothing stopped. Yeah, nothing stopped you. You were like, yeah, boy, I'll go in there. But look at him. So I'm not going to push it. He just won't get any lunch. And hopefully it'll be still warm enough to feed tonight that I can do the same thing. Oh, he is a scaredy cat. Okie dokie then.